Okay, so in the house, there are 3 different thermostats. They're all the same, as Google Nest. These thermostats only do heat. We actually don't have air conditioning in the house. We have the units that are air conditioning that we put in seasonally, but the thermostats are only for heat. Now, to turn it on or off, they'll be on when you check in. You go to mode, heat, and then to change the temperature, you just use your finger up and down, and the heat will kick on. So this thermostat is in the kitchen, okay? Right here against the wall. And this thermostat controls this room right here, the kitchen, the dining room, the bedroom over there, and actually all of the basement, okay? Now, if you go up the stairs, here, it's above the kitchen. There's another thermostat right here on the wall. This controls the upstairs. And then there's one more thermostat in the master bedroom. Right here next to the master bed. This thermostat controls the library, master bedroom, master bathroom, laundry room, and then the upstairs above the master bathroom. Now, there is a thermostat like this that's on the wall up above the master bedroom in this wing above the master bedroom. Here, I'll show you. Right there, there's a thermostat. Ignore that thermostat. That thermostat actually does nothing. We have found out. Okay, now we're gonna go above the garage. Above the garage is an air conditioning unit. Or sorry, a split unit that does heat and air conditioning. So, this is a very good job at keeping this room cool or hot. It's above the window in the back there. Now it's on. This remote right here controls, now this isn't Bluetooth, has to be pointed directly at the unit. So, right now it's on. If you want to change the temperature, you'll just use the button to do so, okay? You'll actually see it changing or beeping. Now, if you want to turn that off, just press the display button. It'll turn those on and off. If you want to change the direction that's blowing, you can press the swing buttons. You want to set a timer, you can. You want to make sure the mode is on heat to heat, obviously. I'll be making another video for air conditioning, but you would just change the mode there. Now, you can set a timer. If you want to turn off in a certain amount of time, you just press timer once, change the amount of time in hours that you want to stay on, and you press timer again. It'll beep. And that way you know that the timer is now set. It will kick off once the temperature is reached, and it'll kick back on when it needs to turn on or off. None of these other buttons are needed. You don't need to do anything. If the display is off, so let's say that someone changes into a mode where you can't see anything. Let's see if I can get it to do it right now. Let's see. Sometimes this screen will be off. You can press the I fill button, display button, or mode button several times, and this screen will come back on. Or you can take the batteries out and put the batteries back in as well. All right, that is all you need to know for the heat above the garage.